How to fix DHgate payment verification. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your payment verification on DHgate. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive back into it. First step is you will need to open up your DHgate. So search for DHgate, and after you search for DHgate, you can just log in into your account. Head over to dhgate.com and log in. After you've done that, you will see this section right here. Hover over there. It's your profile icon. And here you will need to head over to My DHgate. Tap on My DHgate and you should be on this profile right here. Scroll down here on the left sidebar and under account settings, you'll find payment verification. Tap on payment verification and you should be on this page right here. So let's let that load. There we go. So right here, you should see if your payment has been verified or not. If it's not yet verified, you can tap on the verification button and this form should open up. After this form opens up, you can then choose your credit card's photos, then your payment record and your authorization number and your billing statement. Do that and submit it. After you submit that, your verification should be unprocessed and it will be done. And that's basically how you do this, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye-bye. Take care.